And Steve from EstateMax here, joining you live from our next EstateMax estate sale. This time we're going to be in Westminster, Maryland, 4017 Iroquois Drive, Westminster, Maryland, April 26th through the 28th, starting at 10 a.m. Friday morning for best selection. Everything you see in this preview video is for sale at great rock bottom prices. Come join Steve and Lori and the crew. We'll give you a preview of what's here now. We'll take a couple walks around this beautiful house. There's a lot of stuff here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here. You will enjoy this sale. Bring a friend, bring a pickup truck. Have a good time. It's a picker sale. A lot of stuff to choose from. This is just to get your appetite wet. Again, we'll be in statesales.net if you want to see the still pictures. A lot of this is ready to roll. We're starting on Friday the 26th. This is a Thomas Kincaid number 351 of 590. It's an artist proof. You don't see a lot of those around. Yep, that stove is for sale. It's just this beautiful buffet piece. Take a walk around outside real quick, and then we'll walk back into the house. The garage is stuffed. By the way, if you're a estate sale garage lover, this has got some of the coolest garage stuff I've seen in a long time. So we have wicker furniture, we have patio, we have kids' toys, fun stuff for the outdoors just in time for the summertime. It's really pretty antique student's desk, probably from the turn of the century. Pretty patio set. Here's a fan. Walking back in. By the way, outside we have even more in back. We have a shed out back with a power washer and a couple of other things, a swing set. More wicker furniture out back. Let's go inside for a minute. Taking a walk through the dining room. Again, all kinds of curios and decor pieces, one-of-a-kind pieces and collectibles. You'll really enjoy this sale. Look at this curio cabinet filled with all kinds of interesting things to tweak your interest and imagination. Oh, did I say sports cards? Wait till you see the sports cards in the other room. Need a printer? That is an outstanding Canon Pixma Pro 100 printer. That's the printer down there. I've got the box for it. I think it's an archival ink large format printer. But it's massive. It's probably worth over $1,000 originally. Beautiful buffet set. Dining room table for sale. Coming through into the family room area. Everything you see in this video is for sale. There's a little bit of everything. Couches, pillows, occasional furniture, tables, lamps, additional art, rugs. There's a professional quality lamp for a photographer. Lady of the house was a great photographer. Still is, she just moved. Everything you see in this sale is for sale. Now check out these cards. We have sports cards and binders. We have a full Pokemon set. Antique camera. It's an Argus, complete with flash bulbs. Look at all these cards. We have football. We have NFL. We have basketball. We have full sets. Probably about 100 boxes of full sets. Selling really, really inexpensively. So if you're a card person, I don't care what your sport is. We got NBA, we got football, we got everything. There's even more under here at great prices. Even a Singer sewing machine over there. Kids' toys and linens. Glassware and occasional pieces. Pretty eat-in kitchen with all the accoutrements. Nice table and chair set, very good condition, solid wood. Pretty cabinetry in the back. Nice plate collection up here. Get a better look at that. It's pretty. You want kitchen? We got kitchen. We've got mixers, we got bowls, we have baking accessories, we have decor. There's a waffle maker. There's a never used kitchen headquarters electric searing oven. Never used. Over here we've got a KitchenAid Mixmaster. Let's check out the garage. A lot of it's priced. Some of it's make us an offer if it's unpriced. All kinds of different things here, from tools to yard tools to, as a matter of fact, check this out. New in a box and never used. This is a KitchenAid dishwasher. These things went for $1,000 new. This box has never even been opened. $475 for a KitchenAid KDFE 204 KPS dishwasher. Never even been opened. Storage, coolers, ladders, paint. Make offers if it's not priced. There's too much stuff here to price every individual thing, but this video will give you a feel for what we have, including hand tools, lanterns, Dremel kit, DeWalt equipment, including that staple gun, hedge trimmers, a couple different ones, big ones, little ones. There's a cool compressor out there. That's a nice compressor. There's some Porter cable equipment out here. That is a meat slicer. Pretty cool meat slicer. Couple of Ryobi chainsaws priced really, really well. Everything from Christmas trees to ladders, including that big ladder on the ceiling over there. Gas containers, weed whackers. Let's walk around to the other side. Chairs, beach chairs, regular chairs, folding chairs, little rugs, runners, Christmas decor, hand tools, and there's more in the shed out back too. There's all of your hand garden tools are represented here. That's a really nice gasoline-powered weed whacker there. Take a walk over here. Got an air conditioner. Toys from the kids. High-quality motorcycle helmets. I said a couple of Ryobi chainsaws. There's a miter kit. There's a circular saw. Everything you see in this video is priced to go. Mobility equipment. Here's your other chainsaw. Porter cable. Hose extender. Apparel rack. Fire logs. Occasional decor. Christmas. Pet stuff and chairs. Big tub is turned upside down. The rake of all rakes. Take one more pass through. We're going to head upstairs after that. And that's your Briggs & Stratton compressor there. Toys here and upstairs. If it's unmarked, like a chemical, just make us an offer. We're going to try to say yes. Okay, walking upstairs now. Vacuum cleaners, steamers, and a stork, and a cuckoo clock. We love that cuckoo clock. Works great. Walking into the master bedroom. Beautiful mirror, king-sized bed, ladies' apparel and purses. LPs and records. There's a lot of classic rock and roll here. This is the Led Zeppelin generation house. This big Vizio TV is for sale. All the furniture you see is for sale. If you like games? We got games. $6 a piece. We got books. Got a trunk. Got a dresser. Tons of stuff to pick through. And in the closet, we have some real nice, there's a clarinet. High quality ladies apparel, a lot of designer stuff here. Really nice designer stuff here. Come take a look if you're a lady. I think there's 7.5 shoes. If you have kids, there's a lot of classic and vintage kids' toys and books here. All kinds of stuff. There's a beanbag. There's a kitchen. There's a bed. There's a corner cabinet. There's construction equipment for the boys. Oh, I'm being chauvinist. There's even cool stuff in the bathroom, including that heater, the tables, the art, this Batman mobile. Looks pretty cool. Somebody would like that. Bedroom number 2 or 3, depending upon how you number them. We got some linen. We got some quilts. We got headboards. We have chests of drawers. We have stuff everywhere, including luggage, quilt sets, casual chair. Bed and headboard, of course, are for sale. And that pretty large, dark dresser with mirror combo. And more luggage. Bedroom number 3, depending upon how you number them. There's a real... Oh, that one's not for sale. Forget that one. There's a bed frame. Typesetting jig. There's a trunk and a vacuum cleaner. That's a cedar chest. Pretty green headboard, footboard set with, I think that's a queen. And that's a really nice Shark vacuum cleaner if you need a vacuum. More books and VHS to dig through here. So join Steve and Lori from EstateMax beginning this Friday the 26th for a 3-day sale by EstateMax. We chose well when we picked this place. There's a lot of cool stuff here. Go to estatesales.net and look up Westminster to get more still pictures and check out this video again or send it to your friends. Yep, don't be shy about sending a copy of this link to your friends. It's a great sale. Again, Steve from EstateMax saying we'll see you Friday, April 26th in Westminster, Maryland.